Hi guys, you makes video for YouTube or any social media platforms. I give 10 experimental tips that's work for your video to makes better video and 100% sure. By the way, I am Biswajit from S3 Creatives. Tips number 1. First put your mobile in flight mode because unnecessary calls and SMS not comes to the mobiles and your full attention is makes for better video. Okay. Tips number 2. When you shoot video in standing or sitting positions, you always straight with shoulder back, not in dull positions, because shoulder straight position is the signing of winning signs and in dull positions is the loser signs. Okay. Tips number 3. Always shoot your video in your back camera, not in front camera, because back camera is more powerful and the megapixel is high. That's why you always shoot your back camera, not in front camera. Okay. Number 4. You always your background is planes and unwanted things in your backgrounds. You to avoid to unwanted things in your backgrounds. If you have a wall, then select a wall. If you have not any walls, then use a skins. If you have not skins, then sticks a solid paper. Tips number 5. You before shooting your video, you clean your lens. Tips number 6. You use camera in front of your face, not upward, not downward, not left or right. You face to face, because face to face interaction is most important to the viewer. Number 7. Use your mobiles in horizontal position, not in vertical positions. Number 9. You always face towards the light, focus to the camera. If you have mics, then use mic for better audio, and if you have stop the background noise. If you have switch on AC, then switch off AC and switch off fans. Please like and subscribe my channels and don't forget to press the bell icons. Thank you for watching me. Jai Hind.